Welcome! In front of me I have Garett Tina smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to use the Do Not Disturb mode on this smartband, your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the GloryFit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the GloryFit application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the app, we can tap on device icon, and here you should see the X3 device, basically this one, on the device page. Now, find the option called Do Not Disturb, tap on it, and here we can enable the Do Not Disturb mode by tapping on the switch, and then we can select starting time and end time, basically a schedule for it. So the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically on the time you set, and turning off automatically on the time you set. So let's tap on the start time first. Set it to something like maybe 11:30, like this, and then end time something like maybe 4:30 p.m. Okay. We can also turn on the option to turn off the band vibration during the Do Not Disturb mode and the message reminding. And once you're done setting it up, you can go back and close the app. And at this point, the Do Not Disturb mode should be enabled on your smartband. And of course, it's gonna work at the times you set the start time and end time, basically in that period. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.